The kindness of God. 1. The kindness of God is infinite, showering love and grace upon all. 2. He provides for us even when we don't realize it. 3. His kindness is seen in the beauty of nature, from the sunrise to the gentle breeze. 4. Every breath we take is a gift from His mercy. 5. God's kindness is unconditional, not based on our actions but on His love. 6. He forgives our mistakes and offers us countless chances to grow. 7. Through difficult times, His kindness provides strength and guidance. 8. God's kindness is shown in the people He places in our lives to support us. 9. He listens to our prayers, even when we don't have the right words. 10. His kindness teaches us patience, love, and humility. 11. He gives us wisdom to navigate life's challenges. 12. In times of trouble, His kindness brings peace to our hearts. 13. He never abandons us, even when we feel lost. 14. The kindness of God is evident in His protection over us. 15. He sends small miracles every day to remind us of His presence. 16. God's kindness brings hope in times of despair. 17. He blesses us with family and friends who love and care for us. 18. His kindness is reflected in the gift of faith and the strength it provides. 19. Through His kindness, He teaches us the power of compassion. 20. He gives us opportunities to help others and spread kindness ourselves. 21. The kindness of God is a source of endless comfort. 22. He provides solutions when we least expect them. 23. His kindness is seen in the beauty of second chances. 24. He heals our hearts and brings us closer to Him. 25. God's kindness encourages us to live with gratitude. 26. He fills our lives with purpose and meaning. 27. His kindness is greater than any hardship we may face. 28. He reminds us that love and kindness are the greatest gifts we can share. 29. In every moment, His kindness surrounds us, guiding us on the right path. 30. The kindness of God is the light that shines in our hearts, leading us to a life of love and faith.